PNC Bank checking account, how to open online. If you want to open up your PNC Bank's checking account online, it's very simple. Go to pnc.com. Whether it's for personal or business, select that. If it's personal, go to personal. Select products and services. Under banking, select the option called checkings account. So once you've selected checkings account, depending upon the type of account that you want, it will load your page experience accordingly. And here you can simply select the type of checkings account that you have. So virtual student, or virtual wallet checking pro with spend, or virtual wallet checking pro with spend, reserve and growth. So depending upon what kind of checkings account you want, click on apply now option, and then you will be able to fill out a specific form. And once you've filled out the form, you need to have your documents ready with you, at least the photo of the documents, in order to be able to upload it. So I hope this video helps you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.